Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content and body care reviews. If you're a returning subscriber, mwah, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate the support. So in this video, I would like to give my review of Bath and Body Works' new summer release Berry Waffle Cone. And let me just show you the packaging. Very adorable, right? It's so childish, but I absolutely love it because I'm childish. But I love the balloons, and there's like a carousel, not a carousel, a Ferris wheel in the background, and an ice cream stand, and it's just totally cute. Like maybe they're on a boardwalk or something. The fine fragrance mist retails for $15.50, and the body cream retails for $14.50. So yeah, this fragrance also comes in a room spray, which I actually ordered one of those online. It comes in a candle, and of course shower gel, and there was some sort of spray mousse something. And you know what? I'm not sure if they have this in the hand soap. Comment and let me know if they have it in hand soap, because after wearing this, yeah, I would totally get this in everything. So let me just go ahead and read you the scent notes. Sweet summer berries, golden waffle cone, and creamy vanilla. Enjoy your own personal getaway with the perfect summer escape. And, you know, I would agree with that description. You definitely get like this fruitiness. You get the vanilla and the like sugar cone or waffle cone, for sure, and it's sweet. But there's also like this cakiness, and this is a relatively my dog. This is a relatively good performer too, because I can still smell this at the 5 hour mark. I mean, it was so light that I literally had to put my nose to my skin to be able to smell it, but it was still there, which in my opinion, that's a pretty strong performer. And I always layer with a body cream or body lotion with the fine fragrance mist. And sometimes I do the shower gel too, because I feel that prolongs the fragrance. But I mean, in my opinion, that's a pretty stellar performer if you can still smell it at the 5 hour mark, because I mean, these fine fragrance mists are mostly water, but I really like it. So when I first applied it, I get the berries, and I feel like that waffle cone vibe was very strong when I first put it on, which I love. And then as it wore, I'm sitting there and I'm like, I smell Fruity Pebbles. And I'm like, the cereal. And I'm like, I didn't burn the candle, because Bath and Body Works has a new candle, Rainbow Confetti, which smells exactly like Fruity Pebbles cereal. Yep, Fruity Pebbles. And so I was like, I'm not burning my candle. And it was totally this. It's berry waffle cone. And I'm not mad. I love it. I love cereal. Fruity Pebbles isn't my favorite cereal, okay? Like, if I had to pick a favorite cereal, it would probably be, well, I like Special K, and I like, but like kid cereal, you know what I mean? Like, I probably would pick Fruit Loops or Captain Crunch over Fruity Pebbles to eat. I don't eat any of it anymore. I mean, but I totally love cereal. Like, I would eat it, but I try not to, just because it's so much sugar and stuff. You know what I mean? Processed food. Trying to be responsible in my old age, but but if I was gonna pick a fruity cereal, it would probably be Fruit Loops or Captain Crunch. However, I do love the way Fruity Pebbles smells, so I'm not mad. To me, Berry Waffle Cone is the body care version of Rainbow Confetti. To me, to my nose. And I mean, I may be alone, but this totally smells like a cereal. It does. And I absolutely love it. I'm so excited to get the room spray. I'm going to burn that candle and let you guys know what I think. I'm hoping that it's good, because sometimes the way Bath and Body Works candles smell on cold is not how they smell when they are burning. Yeah, I'm a Scentsy consultant, so I warm a lot more than I burn. But yeah, so I'm loving it. I think it's a strong performer. If you want to smell like a bowl of cereal, this is for you, or a waffle cone. I mean, it's both, but I mean, in the last stages, it was Fruity Pebbles. And I adore it. I adore it. So, you know what I might do? Tonight, after my shower, I think I might go ahead and use berry waffle cone and then burn my rainbow confetti candle. I don't know if you guys are like me. Who else out there likes to smell like their home fragrance? Is it just me? I totally love that. I think probably only home fragrance junkies probably do that. But I love to warm something that complements the fragrance that I'm wearing. I mean, it could just be me. Comment and let me know what you guys think. But yeah, I'm loving Berry Waffle Cone. I'm not disappointed. And when the semi-annual sale starts June 14th, I'm definitely going to get some more of that for sure. I'm going to try to wait, okay? No guarantees, because I do shop at Bath and Body Works a lot, although I don't really need anything, but I'm going to try to wait until semi-annual sale. Hopefully it won't be sold out. I will say I'm a little disappointed that Boardwalk Taffy didn't make its way back into the summer collection, because I love that one. And so many people love that one. You know, I was really disappointed that it didn't make its way back. But hey, you never know. During semi-annual sale, maybe it'll make another appearance. But anywho, I'm rambling. You guys, if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.